Okay, this is a small sequence of how our Kruse Vetflex works. You grab the packing and you simply tear the packaging. You start unwinding. The first thing you see about when you unwind are the small latex threads that cohere to the roll. These are the small latex threads. So when you start unwinding, you see our linear spandex threads. And those threads in combination with the non-woven material makes our excellent elasticity. You can see it's possible to almost stretch to double the length. When you have done your application and you want to tear the bandage, you roll out a good piece and you grab with your finger, and this is really essential, your thumb and your index finger, and then you tear away from each other like this. And you can see that you have an almost straight line. This is a unique feature. If you do like very many others do when they want to tear a cohesive bandage, they twist the bandage, and it's a lot harder to do it. But even though in our Vetflex you have a straight line anyway, but it can be really hard to do it. If I take another brand of cohesive bandage and I unwind it, and I want to do the same tear, I tear away and I cannot make a straight line. In this way, you need to use a scissor. If I want to do the same with this one and I want to twist it to see if that helps, it doesn't really help that much. So when I'm doing my application, I want to fixate the first round. And then I grab with my hand to control the compression, the amount of compression that I want to. I roll out, and so I am in control of my compression. And again, so this is a test. Now, if I want to do more compression, I can stretch it even more. And the more I stretch, the harder the compression gets. If I roll on exactly the same spot, I will also just, because I do 2 layers on the same place, I will do a larger compression. So be careful about your compression. So when I'm done doing my application, I roll out a bit of the Vetflex, so I have a piece to work with, and I grab it, tear it, and then I fixate it. When I'm done with my application, I squeeze it gently to kind of activate the cohesiveness. Now when I want to do my unwinding, I can just unwind it like this. If it's been a bandage which has been on the leg for quite some time, the fixation can be a bit harder to remove. And then I can very easily take my bandage and be careful about the skin underneath, and I can cut it like this. Also, one of the features about the Vetflex is that it is water repellent and therefore hygienic. If the animal wears it outside you can see the water simply repels on the bandage like this.